Welcome to the IB Computer Science course at the Botti International School. My name is Marijan Jurcic, and let me give you some highlights related to the course. First of all, we do have a small group this year, 6 students, but good news is that we do have 2 girls, and that is something we do like to promote in this field. So let me go over some of the highlights. So let's go over a few of the features of the course. It's presented here. First of all, we cover a few different programming languages in the class. We cover Java, C#, C++, Python. When we do our web pages, dynamic web pages, we do PHP, jQuery. We work with databases and a little bit of JavaScript. We have a few integrated development environments that we use in the classroom. We use Eclipse for Java. We use Unity 3D for C#. Unity 3D is the gaming engine. And then we use Dreamweaver to design our website. And PyCharm is for Python. So just to show you the Eclipse version, this is a full-fledged IDE. It's, I think, a professional level. Now, we don't use all its features, but it serves us well. And if you, for instance, this is one of our first topics here, branching, and you're supposed to pick a number between 1 and 10, but I'm going to be not cooperative. So that was pretty nice. They gave me a nice reply here. The other one that I'll show you is we have this. The school has an account with Adobe, and Dreamweaver is the app we use to design our web pages. So as you can see, this is web pages HTML, but within the HTML there is some server-side script included, and there is that script over here. Might be over here, and this is all PHP, which is interpreted on the server. So getting back to this document, we also, besides learning a few languages, we want the students to be aware of some electronics, because computers are electronic instruments, and we wanted to know what a resistor is, what a diode is. And so we have a unit with Arduino, a microprocessor, which we program in C++. So they actually have to build these circuits, and we have to program them, and they switch a button on or off, and they have to react properly. I did say about a dynamic website, right? We use Dreamweaver and these different scripting languages and SQL as the database. The third triad, I might say, of the course is networks. Now, we don't have a network to control here at the school, but we can simulate one, and we use Cisco Packet Tracer to simulate a network. So this is a very good. They learn about the different protocols, Ethernet protocols, routers, hubs, switches, different security protocols. And the new thing this year, the new thing this year that we purchased for the students is a certification course in network fundamentals. I think this is going to be very interesting for them. Let me show you that website. Right over here. So we purchased this. Now we did get a nice deal on this. Okay, so it wasn't $280, but it covers like it's a full-fledged certification, Microsoft technological associative certification here. Maybe there is a student who actually will go for it, right? So they have lessons, they have test preps, preps, they have labs, and they have video lessons. So looking forward to going with this with the students. The last part I'd like to go over is that we have still students. We have a mixture of students, some remote, some in class. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to accommodate everybody, and the best way to do that really is to find online applications. So this year I jumped into realizing we have to start remotely in the beginning, and there's going to be some students also, we jumped into this online processing application, which is a Java-based application. So we've been working with this application on our first unit, dealing with branching. And it's a lot of fun because it's visual. So you don't have to download anything. You download anything. You don't have to pay for anything, and you don't have to install anything. So this is something I'm working on for the next unit, which is looping, having the students draw this pattern, and it's all procedural, where if they change the size of something, it should, actually that might be a little too big, right? It should still give me the same pattern, right? With different parameters, right? So that's the nice thing about this program. You don't just work at home. You could work at home too. The other one that we're looking at, and I did work with this a few years ago, and this is a Java-based online application, Godiva.io. So the idea is to supply all our students with the necessary tools that they'll need for the course. So we'll see how it goes, right? But right now things are going pretty smoothly, and just like you welcome the students, and I like to welcome you to the course. Of course, if you have any questions at any time, please don't hesitate to contact me.